Hey guys, this is TechUP here, and today I'm going to show you how to install Nitrogen OS for Android 7.1.1 Nougat on a Nexus 6. Nitrogen OS is a highly customizable custom ROM and will be officially supported for some time, unlike Cyanogen. So here's a few things that you'll need before getting started. One is a custom recovery such as TWRP, which I've made a video on my channel, and this will require an unlocked bootloader of course, and the other thing is USB debugging will have to be enabled in the settings of your Nexus 6. Before doing anything with your Android device, you will have to install Nitrogen OS and open GApps. So Nitrogen OS will be available for download on this link, which is down below in the description. You'll scroll down a little bit till you see download for Shamu, aka the Nexus 6. So that's going to open up a link which has the download. You can just press begin download there, and keep in mind the file size is around 500 megabytes or so make sure you have enough space for that. And this will give you more options after you click it. Just click primary download, it doesn't really matter. And once that is downloading, you can go to opengapps.org and you can download basic functionality for your phone. So you'll have to select the ARM architecture, which is Nexus 6, Android 7.1 of course, and then I prefer to go for the full package, although you can go for the mini or micro as you wish, they'll work just fine. And then after you've done that, you can press the download button in pink. And GApps pretty much offers the very basic functionality it is necessary to have, and it includes things such as the Play Store and Gmail. After having downloaded your files and enabled USB debugging on your phone, you can power off the device completely. Don't restart it, just simply power it off completely. And now we'll have to enter recovery mode by holding down and pressing the volume down key and the power button at the same time for around 5 seconds or so. Then use your volume down key to navigate to recovery mode and press the power button to select the option. And now this will go into the recovery, which for me is TWRP. Make sure you have one. I highly recommend backing up your data before flashing any ROM, so you can do that by pressing backup on the TWRP menu and then selecting just all the options. So first thing that we will have to do is we will have to wipe our data. So we press wipe, advanced wipe, and then select cache, data, system, and then the dalvik/art cache. And then you just swipe to remove the data. Once that is done, we will have to plug in your Nexus 6 via the micro USB cable into your PC and transfer the 2 files that you have previously downloaded. After having transferred all of the data onto your device, so the 2 zip files, you'll have to first find and locate the zip files wherever you place them. I usually put them in a separate folder. And you'll have to tap on the Nitrogen OS zip file first and then swipe to install that. That will take around a minute or 2. And then you can just simply go back to the folder, locate your file, and then flash the open GApps by swiping to confirm again. Now the GApps takes a much longer time. It can take up to around 5 minutes, but expect it to be around 3 to 5 minutes. Once that is done, you will have to delete the dalvik/art/cache, and you can do that with the option that appears on the left side. And once that is done, you can reboot the system. And rebooting takes a long time actually. It can take up to 10 minutes, that's fine. If it goes over 15, then I recommend you restart the whole process because something might have gone wrong. If you get the welcome screen, then everything worked fine. So here you can fill in all of your Google information and personal data. That's going to take a couple of minutes of course, and after you have done that, you are pretty much set to go with Android Nougat 7.1.1 on Nitrogen OS. So Nitrogen OS does have everything you would expect. It has the Android N app drawer, it has all the functions that you would expect. It also has a lot of customizability. It has most of the things that Cyanogen has, but also more, which I really find is a positive thing, and it also works a little bit faster for me, which is why I have it as my main OS right now. So there you go, that's how you get Android 7.1.1 and Nitrogen OS. If I helped you out and this worked, make sure to leave a like down below and also comment any issues that you might have. I'll try and reply as fast as I can and help you resolve those. Thank you very much for watching, and Happy New Year everyone.